Well, fashion is my passion, like over everything. Fashion is my passion because this is something that I have been growing into since a young age. Like I always had a sense for fashion in every aspect. Just me growing up, like not having as much like to work with as far as like clothes or anything like that, it really like brought that sense of I can one day use it to my advantage. The organization for Black Unity Fashion Show is my classroom because it helps me learn more as a student, a creative, and an innovator, and to gain more skills to what I want to apply to later in my career. The organization for Black Unity Fashion Show instills confidence and unity within our models who are participating in the show. Confidence is important because it allows a person to be themselves. It allows them to get a sense of who they are before a person meets them, and it just opens up a whole new floodgate to who that person will be. So being around people at CMU helped me gain more confidence because it just really like opened me up to like a whole new environment to how I can like show my personality and who I am more. One thing I would say that is unique about the Organization for Black Unity Fashion Show is that we don't discriminate on anything, which means that you can be any given size, any other color, any ethnicity. We are open to all to be a part of this, to learn from each other. My name is Kendall Shorter, and the Organization for Black Unity Fashion Show is my classroom.